Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. Now, the S&P 500 closed the day down nearly 0.5%. The Dow ended barely changed, but in the green. The Nasdaq 100 fell nearly 0.9%, and the Russell 2000 barely moved, but closed in the green as well. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 3 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher: energy, materials, and industrials. The biggest losers were utilities, real estate, and consumer discretionary, all falling more than 1%. Looking at some stocks on the move, Lowe gave a mixed earnings report today, with revenues missing expectations, and the company issued weak guidance for 2023. The stock closed down nearly 6%. Like many retailers, Lowe is adjusting its expectations to account for the shift in consumer spending. So it's hoping to ramp up growth in its pro market. Rivian automotive shares plunged more than 18% today after revenue missed expectations in the fourth quarter and issuing a recall. It's the second major recall in 6 months. It's for nearly 13,000 vehicles to fix a faulty sensor in the front passenger seat. China factory activity reported an expansion in February today, which sent stocks and commodities linked to production in China higher. Casino stocks rallied, and Wynn Resorts ended nearly 4% higher. Freeport-McMoRan shares rose nearly 5%, while copper futures rallied 2%, and gold futures rallied 0.4%. And Salesforce shares rallied post-market after reporting strong fourth quarter earnings. Adjusted earnings per share beat analyst expectations. Salesforce gave a forecast that called for more profit this year. And the company announced a new $20 billion stock repurchase program, which is equal to about 12% of its market value. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Pre-market will get weekly jobless claims and fourth quarter productivity and costs. In the afternoon, the Fed balance sheet will be published. And on the earnings front, AB InBev, Best Buy, Kroger, and Macy's report in the morning. Post-market, we'll hear from Broadcom, Costco, Hewlett-Packard, Enterprise, and Nordstrom. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.